Hello viewers, you are welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new, remember to subscribe. Okay, so in this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to find the readings on the Venier calipers. Okay, so this is the Venier calipers. Okay, this is how it looks like. So we have just gotten that part where you can find the readings there. Okay, so if you look at this this Venier calipers, it has two scales. So there is this scale which is in black. That scale in black, it is called the what? The main scale. Okay, the main scale. The main scale. The one that is in black, it is called the main scale. Then this scale which is down here, which is in blue, it is called the what? The Venier. Okay, the Venier scale. Okay, so the name comes from the what? The Venier calipers. So it is called the what? The Venier scale. Okay, so these questions come every year, they don't miss. So make sure that you understand, finish this full video so that you understand every concept that I'm going to teach here, so that you go with full information of this topic here. Okay, so we are going to know how we can find the readings on this Venier calipers. Okay, so this is the Venier calipers. So this is in centimeters, like that, centimeters. Then these, they're in millimeters, these ones, which are right here, which are down here, is that you should know. Okay, so you need to how do you find, because you need to find the reading of the main scale as well as the reading on the secular of the Venier scale, so that you find the full reading of the Venier calipers at which the object is. Okay, so the formula for this, it is the formula if you want to find the reading. Okay, if you want to find the reading, is you need to find the main scale. It is main scale. Okay, main scale plus Venier scale if you want to find the reading of the object. It is the main scale plus the Venier scale. Okay, so now let's try to find the main scale first. Let's try to find the reading of the main scale. What is the reading of the main scale? So what is the reading of the main scale? So the main scale, we've said that this is the main scale, which is up here. So if you look at this main scale, you need to try and count starting from the numbers that you have been given till you reach here, so that you know what is this side. Okay, so if you look at this is 4, this is 5, mean that this is half of 4 and 5. Okay, this is half of 4 and 5, so you need to know what these are here. So mean that here it is 4, 4.1, 4.2, 4.3, 4.4, 4.5. Okay, so that is 4.5, 4.6, 4.7, 4.8, 4.9, then 5, like that. Okay, so meaning that going back, if this is 4. This is 4.1 or 4.6, this is 4.5, 4.6, 0.7, 0.8, 0.9. Okay, even meaning that this one, it is what? There is 3 this side, there is 3. Okay, so mean that there is 3 something here, so mean that this is 3.9. okay, 3.8, 3.7, then 3.6, like that. Okay, like that. So this is 4, 3.9, 3.8, 3.7, 3.6, 3.5, mean that here there is 3.5 somewhere here. So mean that there's 3.5 somewhere here. There's 3.5, then it goes like that, they go like that, then here there is what? There's 3 like that. Okay, so this is how it is here. So this is what you are supposed to do. You just try and do a draft, okay, so that you know that it is like this, mean that it's supposed to be like this. So here, meaning that you're going to say 3, 3.5, 3.6, 3.7, 3.8, 3.9, then 4. As simple as that. As simple as that. So now the thing is, if you want to get the reading of the what? The main scale. The reading of the main scale. So get the reading of the main scale before the 0 digit of the Venier scale. What do I mean by that? You should get the reading of the main scale before the 0 reading of the Venier scale. Before the reading of the Venier scale, the 0 reading before the 0 of the Venier scale. So this is where the Venier scale is, right? This is where the Venier scale is, and this is where the 0 starts. Okay, this is where the 0 starts. So we're saying that get the reading of the main scale, the reading of the what? The main scale. Okay, the reading of the main scale, this one on top, before, okay, before the reading of the what? Before the 0 reading of the Venier scale. We have said that this is the main scale. This is the Venier scale. So get the reading of the main scale before the 0 reading, before the 0. So the 0 is here. So if we say before, it is from here. Okay, it before the 0. Okay, before the 0. So this is 0 of the Venier scale. So before the 0, it is here. It is here. Okay, so this is after the 0. Okay, this is after 0, but this is before the 0 of the Venier scale. So get the reading of the main scale before the 0 digit of the Venier scale. So make sure that you understand this part. I've repeated this for a couple of times now. So get the main reading of the main, get the reading of the main scale, okay, before the 0 digit, before the 0 digit of the Venier scale, before it is this reading here, after it is this. So we are actually saying that we should get this point here. This point, what is that point? This is before, this is after. Okay, we want this reading. What is that reading? That is where the object is. Okay, so that is what we are doing. So this is 3. You know that this is 3.5. Okay, that is what we have said after we created this temporal thing here. So this is 3.5, meaning that here it is what? 3.6. Okay, so we say that the main, so we'll say that the main scale reading, the main, so we'll say that the main scale reading is equal to what? Is equal to what? We have said that this is 3.5, 3.6. So that is what? 3.6 centimeters. Okay, that is the correct answer for the main scale. Now, how about the Venier scale? How do you find the Venier scale? How do you find the Venier scale? So the way we find the Venier scale, okay, the way we find the Venier scale, this is the Venier scale, okay? So, and it is starting from 0 to what? To 10. So, mean that it is 0, this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, like that. That is how it is going. So, before you do anything, check how is it, how are they counting it. So, it is saying that 0. Okay, this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can even see that there is 5 here. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you see that that's 10 there. So now how do we find the reading of the Venier scale? Okay, so here we are adding. How do we find the reading of the Venier scale? The reading of the Venier scale, we find it at the point where the main scale, okay, the main scale and the Venier scale, they are colliding, okay? They are colliding, okay? What do I mean? They are intersecting like this. They are intersecting like that. So let's say this whole thing, this up, it is the main scale, and this is the Venier scale. So they are intersecting, mean that there is a straight line. There is a straight line that is joining the main scale and the Venier scale. Okay, there is a straight line that is joining the main scale and the Venier scale. Let's check. Okay, let's check. So if you look at this, if you look at here, this it is going like it is ending at here. Even this, it is ending here. This is ending here. This is ending there. This is ending there. But this, it is going straight. Okay, it is coming from the main scale. It is also going in. Okay, it is going in. So don't get that for, but get the reading of the Venier scale. This 4, it is for the main scale, but this, it is for the Venier. So you say 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. So at the point at which this is colliding, this is intersecting with the main scale. Okay, the Venier and the main scale, they are intersecting. It is this point. So this is 0, 1, 2, 3. Mean that it is at what? At 3. Okay, it is at what? At 3. So you are supposed to multiply. So you have gotten that this is what? This is 3. Okay, but 3, it is not even in reading. So you are supposed to multiply it by what? 0.01. So this is the constant number that you are supposed to multiply it. So this is 0.01 centimeters. Okay, so this is not in reading. So if you want to transfer it in, this is not in any what should I say, in any these are what, let me say, so this is not in any units. Okay, it is not in any unit. So if you want to put it in units, you need to convert it to what? If you want to convert it to units, you need to multiply it by 0.01 centimeters. This is a constant number that we always multiply with when you are finding the main scale, when you are finding the Venier scale. So always multiply the number that you had found by what? By 0.01 centimeters. Okay, so if it is milliliters, it is 0.1 like that. Milliliters like that. Okay, so that is what you're supposed to do. So here, if we multiply these times that, it is going to be what? 0.03 centimeters like that. Okay, so now we have said that the formula for the reading at which the object is, we are saying that it is a main scale plus the Venier scale. So we are going to add this. This is 3.6 like that. Okay, 3.6 plus, so we are adding plus what? Plus 0.03 like that. Okay, so it is in centimeters, so we can even put the 0 there, centimeters like that. Then we add, this is 0 plus 3, that is 3, 6 plus 0, that is 6, then point, this is just 3 like that, 3 centimeters, meaning that at the point where the object that the Venier caliper is measuring, this is where it is. So this is the reading of the Venier caliper. So this is the what? The the reading like that. So that is how you find this. So make sure that you understand. Make sure that you understand. If you didn't understand, you can inbox me on this line 0975334778. Okay, so get more questions on this topic you solve, send them here. I'll be able to answer you. Okay, I'll be able to answer you and respond to you. Thank you for watching. I've been your tutor, Patrick Divine. Thank you.